Guys, welcome back to the channel. Now the title is very fitting for this project because it's still being severely overlooked, and right now obviously we have seen price pull back, so this is an imminent update. We saw price obviously sell off, and this was because obviously cryptocurrencies were pretty much selling it across the board. We saw almost a 30% decline in a price. Of course, that may have been shocking to some, but this was the opportunity for us to restock. Now, in fact, before I get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, turn the bell notification on so you can stay up to date on all my recent updates. Remember, nothing that you see in this video is financial advice, so always make sure to do your own research. Remember, before we get started, pause the video, click the link in my description, and join that Telegram group, because this is where you're going to be able to stay up to date on all our latest updates, crypto gems, and much more. So do that right now. Join the Telegram group, or of course, if you want those juicy entries, exits, under the radar crypto gems, and much more. Obviously, have a look at our Crypto Crew Premium channel. Definitely have a look at that right now. And of course, that's where we actually have our target for VRA, our next target. Now, let's get into this video before price can rally. And by the time I post this, who knows where we'll be. But yeah, so as you can see, price did, sell off as kind of as expected when the market was pulling down. I mean, this is nothing to be ashamed of. And of course, back around that 78.6 fib level, which is proving to be quite a strong resistance area. And to be honest with you, when we look at most cryptocurrencies, we can see their key levels of support and resistance. They're quite clear, but once we see the price maintain it or break out of that area, this is when we tend to see that parabolic move. And one thing I want to keep you all in mind with before I actually continue with this video is that price is still, and keep a note of this market cap, right? So this is pretty much 10 billion, 6.1 billion Matic. So this is unrelated, but look at VRA, right? And then guys, they're different projects as well. So please, I'm just talking about the actual coin supplies here. So up 6.9% for the day, but the market cap itself is below 200 million still. This is literally a diamond in the dirt. And even if we look at the circulating supply at 6.5 circulating, 10.3 max supply, and of course Matic is now 2 billion is now over $2 per coin. So that shows you that when people complain about the coin supply, this is not always an issue. As long as you've got a great project, that's all that matters. And this has been doing phenomenally well so far. Obviously down 36% in the last 30 days, but all in all, it's doing quite well. So where can we expect price to go now, right? So even if let's say we close back around above our support area, which we need to do, we need to close back above this area. And let's say we head back up to the 38.2, we should see about 30% move from where we are now. Of course, it's not a huge, well, it is a huge move, but I'm sure you guys want to know about the massive move. So let's say we just head up to our all-time highs, or half a cent. That's an 81% move from where we currently are now. And to be honest with you, I only see upwards momentum on this coin moving forward. This to me is still pretty much undervalued. I know many people have seen the pump since the start of the year, but we are not seeing anything yet. We are still very much early days. We haven't even hit 500 million in terms of market cap yet. And this project itself does have great utility. I mean, we went over this before. Even if we go back 2020, of course, the launch date, and then we are seeing that slow trend to the upside. But all it takes, and one thing I will say is this is a product that does already have patents, etc. That's well publicized. They've just hit 100k followers on YouTube, Twitter as well. And they were probably wondering, why is that relevant? The reason why it's relevant is because it's showing a growing community. Remember, projects cannot grow without any community, and you are a solid community. But what I need you guys to do is put the word out there more, share our videos, share it with your friends, especially if you find value in this itself. So let's just go over that again. We should maintain up. We should see a solid rally today, at least 30. Okay, let's say 20%. We're not going to say. Let's say okay. We're up about 3% for the day so far. Let's say we get 15% for the day. That's back up to the 50% fib. That's again 11% move from where we are now. Best case scenario, we see a 26% move back up to the 38.8. And that, of course, is near enough a 30% move for the day. I mean, that's what we want to look at now. We can talk about all-time highs, but for now, we do need to, make our way back to the upside at least. But of course, even from the all-time high area, that's 75%. I mean, hopefully, we can see price smash this area before the end of the week. But I only see good things for this project, and like I said, if you're watching this video, you truly are an early adopter. It doesn't matter if you bought at an all-time high, guys. The market cap of this project is 200 million. For the type of project it is and the potential it has, this is a definition of an under the radar crypto gem. So do be proud of yourself for actually seeing this video or having access to this project early. I'm super bullish on this. But anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it there for now. And I will keep you up to date with any more fundamental data that can come into play with this project. I'm keeping up to date with that, as well as the technicals, as you guys are aware. But all in all, hopefully we see that parabolic move from where we are now. But I'm just glad that we've maintained this support area at 78.6. We haven't gone any lower than this. And it's retested that twice now. Three times actually. 1, 2, 3. So this is definitely a strong area. And hopefully we see the bounce from this level. But anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it there. Enjoy the rest of your week, the rest of your day, and make sure you're subscribed so you can stay up to date with the next update. And as always, seize the day.